All right, today's video is all about how to be a better looking man, but not only how to be a better looking man, but how to feel like a better looking man and what you can start incorporating into your day-to-day routine and items that you can start wearing to feel a lot better. Now, number one is footwear. I personally believe that every outfit ends off with a perfect shoe. Now, I don't mean the designer or the brand. I mean how you actually put together that outfit. Now, did you put together a suit with a running shoe? Did you put together a casual outfit with a pair of flip-flops? No, you're not gonna do that. You're gonna wanna elevate this outfit with the proper footwear. You wanna make sure that the outfit is flowing together. Now, I actually personally think, and here's just an example, if you were to go out on a date, right? I think your date is actually checking out, your style. She wants to see how you're putting together your outfit. So she's actually looking at, hey, you know what? Hey, this guy put jeans on. He put a pair of dress pants on. What kind of shoes is he wearing? How did he match that? How did he style that? This is very important that, when someone checks you out, you know exactly what you're talking about. You know exactly what you should be having on for the occasion. Again, I'm not talking about what designer you're wearing. I'm not talking about what brand it is because that doesn't matter. It's about how you're styling the outfit. It could be a $40 shoe. Guys, I've worn out $35 shoes, $70 shoes with outfits before, and it doesn't matter about how much the shoe is or what brand it is. It's all about the flow of the outfit. And I guarantee once you start putting together your outfit, the last piece of the puzzle is what shoe you should be putting on. I guarantee when you start putting together a nice outfit, the last piece of the puzzle always comes down to what shoe I'm gonna wear. That is your staple of the outfit. That's what's gonna make or break the outfit is the shoe. So that's why you always see some men out there that dress really nice and you're wondering how it looks so put together. It's because the shoe matches the whole complete look. You're not gonna go wear a baggy jean with a slim fitting shoe, right? You're obviously gonna wear a chunky sneaker with that baggy jean so that the outfit flows together. Now, obviously to become a better looking man or to feel like a better looking man or to feel a lot better comes down to hygiene, bro. If you're not taking care of your hygiene, if you're not taking care of your facial hair, your hair, how you smell, this is very important when you step out into the real world as a man. This is a very important first impression, especially when you're meeting someone, let's say for a job interview, you're going out for a date. Someone wants to see how you present yourself, how you showcase yourself, how you take care of yourself, how you smell. For me, this is the number one thing for myself when I step out into the real world and how I present myself. I guarantee when you go out, you don't want to be that guy that has bad breath or has bad body odor. So let's be ahead. Let's start taking care of this right now. It's not too late for you. You're gonna get ahead because you're watching my channel. I'm gonna start taking you to that next level. Now, I'm just gonna add something in here as well to hygiene because I know this is not actually a hygiene topic, but the way your clothes look, are your clothes wrinkly? Are they not folded properly? Because that's also another thing that just doesn't look good. It looks like you don't take care of your clothes. It looks like you don't wash your clothes. And that's another thing that's not good for a first impression. Let's say you're going for a very serious job interview and you have to show up there in a white dress shirt. If your white dress shirt is all wrinkly and stuff, that person's not gonna take you seriously. But if you go in there with a crisp white dress shirt, that guy's gonna take a look at you and go, wow, this guy's really put together. I can't believe I'm even saying this one, but up next at number 3 is learn how to smile. Now, I know a lot of you comment on my Instagram and TikTok, hey, Nando, you gotta smile more in your pictures, you gotta smile more in your videos. And I know I do, and I'm gonna work on it. It's just, sometimes I feel with the whole vibe and the mood, if I'm using a certain song or a certain outfit, it's not the proper, setting to actually smile. But I'm gonna start making that a habit of mine to get more pictures of me smiling on my Instagram. Obviously, when you go out in the real world and you start smiling and laughing, people are gonna really like to be around you. They're gonna like your energy. So I want you to start smiling a little bit more. Show off your nice pearly white teeth when you start going out because that's really important. That's gonna show your whole demeanor, your whole character. People love to be around people that are just smiling a lot. I know for myself, I love being around people that just make me laugh, make me smile. That's a great quality to have as a human being is to make others smile. So when I smile, you're obviously gonna start laughing right now because I'm smiling, right? So you get the whole point. Obviously, it is very important to do this on a day-to-day basis. You see a lot of famous actors when they go out on the red carpet, they're smiling ear to ear, so confident, they're so put together. So that can be you if you start to do these little things. So another thing that a lot of guys do to elevate their style is to accessorize more. Now, there's no need to overdo it, right? I wouldn't say you need to wear 4 rings on one hand, 6 bracelets on the left wrist. It's just not necessary. But to have it with a grain of salt, to put a necklace on or a nice bracelet, a couple of rings, a nice watch, that's gonna separate you from a lot of other guys that are just not doing this stuff yet. I actually personally wish that back in high school, in my early 20s, my late teens, that I was actually wearing a little bit more accessories. I never wore rings, bracelets, watches, necklaces. I wasn't into it. That's why on this channel, I wanna get you a lot further ahead than I was. So if you're someone that likes to wear all black, that monochromatic look, and incorporating accessories into your outfits is actually gonna elevate your style a lot more. It's gonna show a lot more edge to your look. So let's say you have a plain black t-shirt on and you put a silver necklace with a silver bracelet, a couple rings. That black t-shirt now looks completely different. Obviously the next part is how you smell. So something that I personally do a lot of now that I never really used to do, but I started experimenting with it a lot more, is actually swapping your fragrances, mixing and matching your fragrances, and actually applying 2 fragrances to your body. You're gonna have a very original scent when you start going out. If you actually start stacking your fragrances, this is gonna separate you from other guys. Now let's say you're already wearing your Dior Sauvage, your Givenchy. If you actually start stacking those fragrances together, you're actually creating an original scent, which is really, really cool. Now I'm telling you, man, when you start doing this, you're gonna start seeing a lot of people complimenting you on your smell. They're gonna start asking you, hey, what are you wearing? Because everyone knows the original colognes, like all the popular ones in the stores. So if you actually start mixing and matching them, you're creating a new scent for yourself. And what's better than a new scent when you start going out? The way you smell is actually a conversation starter with people because it allows you just to talk about something. Now, a lot of these guys are doing this to feel a lot better, to look a lot better. So that's why I want to break down this video for you and give you a few different tips on what you can do to feel and look and become a better man. So if I have done that in this video, don't forget to hit that like button as it does really help my channel grow, and I will see you all in the next video.